guys, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share my video. But today I'm going to be doing something completely different. I'm not going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but I wanted to do a product review. So what happened was, let me tell y'all what happened. I was on Instagram, and y'all know I wear wigs all the time, okay? My hair is in a growing out stage, and even before my growing out stage, like, honestly, I just love wigs. And I found this one brand, and I was like, dang, their wigs look good. So, I started doing a little digging because I'm nosy, and I started digging, and I found them. And then I found their Amazon, and their prices were super cheap. And they were Amazon Prime, y'all. So guess what? I got it like next day shipping. So today I just got my product and I wanted to open it up with you guys because y'all know I am super honest about things. If it looks a little ratchet, I'm gonna let y'all know. So here is my Amazon. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh. All right. You guys, I'm a little scared because I usually go to the beauty supply stores and just buy them because I put them on and see how they look. But this, I've never really bought one online, and I'm kind of excited to see what it is. So, okay. You guys. Okay. Beautiful, your life. How adorable their little package. And it's okay, so they sent out a wig cap, which, hey, y'all know y'all need wig caps. Oh my, can y'all hold up, wait a minute. Wow. All right, so this is so, and it, oh my gosh, it feels so beautiful. It is synthetic, but you guys, it does not feel synthetic. It doesn't really look synthetic either. It looks really natural. It has a small lace, I don't know if y'all can see it, right there. And it is not a lace front, which is okay because you can still style it. But it does have a lace, and it has like, the cap is really pretty inside. So what do y'all think we put this on? I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to look crazy. So how about I come back on the screen with my new wig on so y'all can see how I look in it, okay? All right, y'all ready? Let's go! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not even kidding you guys. This wig just gives me some type of emotion inside. I love it. I'm still playing with it to see which way I want to style. Do I want a middle cut, like a middle part, or do I want a side part? I usually wear my wigs to the side. If you haven't noticed, most of my wigs I do comb to the side just because I love that look. I don't think the ones in the middle look great on me, but whatever. I love it. It looks good. As you see, no lace, but you can still style it. I did have to color this area here, which is your scalp, with a dark brown eyeshadow, just to kind of blend it to my skin tone. But I mean, other than that, I love it. I'm gonna post below the link where you guys can find this on Amazon because I really think that it's a good wig for the price. It's good. You can't beat that. So I hope you liked my short video. I just kind of wanted to share my excitement of wigs. You guys, I always get questions about where do you get your wigs, and like, how much do you pay for them, and to what type of wigs do you wear? Do you always get late? I get asked all these questions. Most of my wigs are synthetics. I can't really afford natural hair wigs because they're so expensive, but I do love that I can have so much variety of wigs for cheap, and they still do a good job. So this one keeps on wanting to come back to you. It goes back to my face. I love it. It's still a little staticky from the packaging, but I'm sure it'll be fine in a few hours. But I love it. So I'm gonna post a link below. Check them out, and If you do end up buying one of their amazing wigs, go ahead and hashtag being yo. I would love to see which one you got. And hey, maybe I'll buy it too and I'll do a video with it. So, I love it. The static just keeps on going straight to my face. All right, because I'm electric. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.